When you think of survival, you probably picture wild adventures, trekking through forests, braving storms, or facing the unknown in the wild. But what if I told you that one of the biggest threats to your safety isn't out there in the wilderness, but right inside your own home? Sometimes the real danger is much closer than you think, quietly lurking in your pantry, hidden among the rows of cans you've carefully stored for emergencies. It's easy to overlook, but this silent threat can undo all your hard work in an instant. Your emergency food stockpile might look solid and dependable at first glance. You might feel a sense of security seeing those shelves lined with cans. But beneath the surface, your stash could be on the verge of ruin, all because of a handful of simple, avoidable mistakes that most people never even realize they're making. Food can look perfectly fine on the outside, shiny labels, intact seals, and no obvious signs of trouble. Yet inside it could be spoiled, unsafe, or even toxic. Sometimes the most dangerous problems are the ones you can't see until it's too late. It's the small habits and simple routines, often overlooked in the rush of daily life, that make all the difference. These little details can be the deciding factor between a life-saving stash and a cupboard full of wasted effort, money, and hope. That's why I'm here, to walk you through 15 deadly mistakes that can sabotage even the best-intentioned food stockpile. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out, these tips could save you from disaster. As we go through these, I challenge you to pick just one mistake to fix this week. Even a small change can have a huge impact on your family's safety and peace of mind. You'll be surprised how a single, simple adjustment can mean the difference between safety and disaster, even in the comfort of your own home. Let's make sure your stockpile is truly ready for anything. First up is a classic blunder, failing to rotate your stockpile. The key is first in, first out. Always use the oldest cans first and move new ones to the back. When you neglect rotation, you risk spoilage and waste. Make it a habit. Every time you add to your stockpile, shuffle things around. A little discipline now can save your life when it matters most. Many people find that the most convenient place for their emergency food stockpile is somewhere out of the way, like the garage. Or maybe you've tucked your supplies up in the attic, thinking it's a safe, unused space. But these locations can actually be some of the worst places to store canned food. That's because garages and attics are notorious for their fluctuating temperatures. In the summer, heat can soar to dangerous levels, and in the winter, freezing temperatures can set in. These extremes break down the integrity of canned goods, causing them to spoil faster or even become unsafe to eat. The best place for your food storage is somewhere that stays consistently cool and dry, ideally between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. A basement or interior closet often works well, as these areas are less affected by outdoor weather changes. Remember, even just a few days of extreme heat can dramatically shorten the shelf life of your canned goods, sometimes by months or even years, so it's important to avoid any spot that gets direct sunlight or is exposed to temperature swings. Take steps to protect your stockpile from the elements, whether that means sealing windows, insulating your storage area, or simply moving your food to a more stable environment. Your future self will thank you for keeping your emergency supplies safe and ready to use, no matter the season. Moisture is a silent killer for canned food. Humidity creeping into your storage can cause rust, mold, and eventually spoilage. Invest in a cheap dehumidifier or moisture-absorbing packets. Keep your space dry and check regularly for signs of dampness. Don't let moisture destroy what you've worked so hard to build. Damaged cans are a serious danger. Dents, bulges, or leaks might look minor, but they can be deadly. Every time you add cans to your stash, inspect them closely. If you spot a bulge, a leak, or even a can that looks swollen, toss it out. In survival, the little things matter most, and vigilance is your best weapon against hidden threats. Not keeping an inventory is a fast track to waste and confusion. A simple notebook or a spreadsheet on your phone can solve this. List what you have, the quantities, and the expiration dates. Better inventory means better survival. You'll know exactly what you have and what's running low. In the wild, knowledge is power. Same goes for your pantry. Stacking cans on the basement floor is inviting trouble. Floors can be damp, causing rust and attracting pests. Elevate your cans with shelves, pallets, or even bricks. Don't let your hard work go to waste just because you skipped a simple precaution. Expiration dates aren't just suggestions, they're safety markers. Canned food can last a long time, but not forever. Regularly check your stockpile for upcoming expirations and rotate them into your daily meals. A quick monthly check of dates can make all the difference. Stay sharp, stay organized, and keep your supplies as fresh as your instincts. Shelves stacked high with canned food won't help if you can't cook or heat it. Emergencies can knock out power and gas, so have a backup cooking solution. Camp stoves, rocket stoves, or portable grills. Test your cooking plan before you need it, and practice meals with your backup gear. The wild doesn't wait for you to get ready, neither will an emergency. It's easy to assume your stockpile is perfect, until you actually try to use it. The only way to know for sure is to test your setup regularly. Set aside a day every few months to cook a meal using just your emergency supplies. This practice will reveal any gaps in your preparation, from missing utensils to foods you don't enjoy. In survival, there's no substitute for hands-on experience. Stocking up on food your family hates is a one-way ticket to waste. Involve your family in building your stockpile. Ask what they like and what's off limits. The best stockpile is the one you'll actually use. Stock smart, and you'll be ready for anything. Sunlight is another hidden enemy. Direct exposure to light and heat breaks down food quality and can trigger chemical changes inside the can. Always store your cans in a cool, dark place, or cover your shelves if you can't avoid light. Outsmart the sun, and you'll add years to your stockpile's life. Not all cans are clearly labeled, and ink can fade over time. Use a marker to write the purchase and expiration date on every can as soon as you bring it home. This takes just seconds and gives you instant peace of mind every time you scan your shelves. Set yourself up for success with clear, simple labeling. Rodents and insects love food storage areas. Ignoring signs like droppings or gnawed packaging can lead to disaster. Regularly inspect your storage area and keep food sealed. Use traps or deterrents as needed and act at the first sign of trouble. A clean, sealed storage space is your best defense. Cardboard is a magnet for moisture and pests. Remove food from cardboard and store it on clean, open shelves or in plastic bins with tight lids. Ditch the cardboard, and you'll instantly make your stockpile tougher. Life changes, and so do your food needs. Review your stockpile every few months and adjust for dietary changes or allergies. This isn't just about food, it's about keeping your family healthy and ready for anything. Keep adapting, and your stockpile will always be an asset. Managing a food stockpile isn't about having the biggest stash. It's about the small, consistent habits that protect what you have. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of buying in bulk, but true preparedness comes from maintaining your supplies, rotating your stock, and making sure nothing goes to waste. Think of your pantry as a living system that needs regular attention, not just a storage closet you fill and forget. Every can, jar, and bag represents peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Each of these 15 mistakes is easy to make, but just as easy to fix if you start today. Maybe you've overlooked expiration dates, or perhaps you haven't updated your inventory in a while. Don't worry. Everyone slips up sometimes. The important thing is to recognize where you can improve and take action before small issues become big problems. Even a few minutes spent organizing can make a huge difference in an emergency. Pick one mistake that stood out to you and tackle it this week. Maybe it's reorganizing your shelves, labeling your food, or simply making a plan to use up older items first. Small steps add up over time, and before you know it, your stockpile will be more reliable and easier to manage. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Thanks for watching. Drop your tips or stories in the comments below, and let's keep learning together. Your experiences can help others avoid common pitfalls, and together we can build a stronger, more prepared community. Don't be shy. Every bit of advice counts, and you might inspire someone else to take action. Stay ready, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Until then, keep building your skills and your confidence, one smart step at a time.